I want to tell you about our Apprenticeship Hour. Okay, now this is the last Thursday every month at high noon California time. Okay, this week is going to be on women's health. We're going to talk about a lot of ovarian fibroids, cysts and tumors, and certain chemical imbalances that can cause it. But on all the Apprenticeship Hour, we're talking about anatomy and physiology. It's going to be a full hour with a 30 to 40 minute Q&A session afterwards. And you're going to learn, I mean, literally doctorate level anatomy and physiology broken down into normal human speak so that it's actually practical. You're going to learn why the body forms these tumors, fibroids, or cysts, how to eliminate it, and realize that it's not anything attacking you. We're going to have a whole series on women's health. And on men's health, you're going to learn about prostate, you're going to learn about breast issues, cancers, we're going to learn about shingles, we're going to learn about every kind of condition on the planet, and you're going to find out the causes, and it's not genetics, the solutions, which is not drugs, okay, and how your body adapts so you can live on this planet healthy the full 120 years. I'll see you there, baby. Sign up at the DrB VIP.